Hello, trading is closed on December 20th, 2017. We said yesterday the most likely scenario was a gap open and a quick move outside of the day's range. That happened. The gap and the move outside of the range don't have to be in the same direction. Straight line move down out of the range. We said the next most likely thing was we closed a little change, and that actually happened too. We looked for a pattern with an early low, and that's what we got. We said it wasn't required that we gapped over this high, but I thought it was very likely. That didn't happen. It was clear before the open it wasn't going to happen. During the day, MEJT early on said ultimately higher and lower prices would print. The lower prices printed, they were marked as false. MEJT says ultimately we'll see 26.8507. Normally we see more than this minimum. There's no time limit. Normally one need not wait long. In the afternoon we got a buy signal. Note how the target is close. All the buy signal means is a higher price will print and there'll be resistance there. It doesn't mean go online, place an order to buy. It just says there's a higher target and resistance, and that's what happened. W means it was a weak buy signal, giving you a clue not to look for a lot on the upside. This gap up on Monday overtook the old high. If we were to go under the range of this bar, and you have to use the actual true range, which means you measure from 26.7581. If we were to go under that, it would give us a Trader Vic 2B sell signal. So far, despite dropping down 3 days straight, we haven't been able to do that. So to me, all this 3 days worth of dropping hasn't accomplished much other than to fill the space of the gap. Consolidations and gaps tend to occur in the same space. One can occur before the other, but they tend to occur in the same space. So all we've had so far is a filling of the gap. Tomorrow's pattern should have an early high. Doesn't preclude gapping down first. Has a strong tendency to rally all day and close near the high. When it fails, it's usually a straight line move down. To me, 3 days of dropping without accomplishing anything, coupled with a break, a gap over strong resistance, coupled with higher targets. By the way, this price target printed and there was resistance over it. All this to me makes it very likely we'll see higher targets, makes it likely we'll see higher prices tomorrow. I look for a rally, and since today's move had a close that was little change, I look for a strong move tomorrow. I believe it'll be up. This target shouldn't be too hard to hit. Hopefully we'll see more than that. If I'm wrong, it should be clear before the open, and that's today's call.